for your feedback. Really great. So that is where we are going to do the next phase, which very rightly many of them have clearly defined. It's the implementation phase, and this is where the core competency of the trainer is tested. Implementation is actually conducting the training program. So it is how the program is being conducted, how the training is being conducted, the processes, and the different steps of the training which we have put in the lesson plan will be implemented in the implementation phase. So anyone would like to share or give light on this implementation phase?
Sir, I have named it as a QBD model, question-based discussion model, or QUIRKS, question which integrate and reinforce knowledge. Right. So these sort of small, whatever you told, the implementation may be through role plays or assessment tests, or it can be through PowerPoint presentations, it can be through knowledge sharing, it can be storytelling. There are whatever the ways well done, but keeping time as one of the important factors, implementation process has to be planned. Icebreakers.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Guru Rajji, you have really covered all the topics that are needed as a trainer to be able to create an enthusiastic and participative training process. And I'm sure many of the trainers are aware that now we are moving from the lecture concept to the facilitation process, where you are not just delivering content and just giving them gyan, but you are asking questions, creating curiosity, creating a resource of learning by doing, which is so important in the current times, because people have really done away with the lecture and gyan process. That is why on the virtual platforms, we refrain from giving a lot of gyan. We would rather have your feedback and your participation, because we are in a two-way learning process. There might be things that I can learn from you and vice versa. So I'm sure Guru Rajji has explained that there are hundreds of facilitation processes. Am I right, Guru Rajji?
But there is much to learn. That's why always I keep my books
open.
There is
never an end to how much you can learn. Yes, you're on the same wavelength as me. You need to have a constant lifelong learning.